Hey guys, old school custom rides, Roger. Hope you guys enjoying your day or building them old school hot rods. Well, today we'll do some more work on a roaster. This is considered part two for the shock mounts. So right now I already did one side, so I don't want to bore you guys and do that long of a video. And so I already did one side, so I'm gonna go ahead and y'all get to see the other side. I'll weld that one so that way y'all can see. And I already got that one mounted on. That way you guys can check it out. That one's already mounted on there. It's just got to clean up the wells a little bit more, but it's already on there. It's pretty good. Yeah, you can see it. And my wells aren't the prettiest, man, but you know what? Shit ain't gonna break off. Either way, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get the other one set up, and that way you guys can see me do the other side, and we'll get these chocks mounted. I still got to get some washers for the inside at the bottom because the chocks are going to be just a little bit more out, like in the front, and then I need some washers in there so that way the chocks can be kind of straight. Because where the mounts are at, that's the whole reason behind it. But we're gonna go ahead and get this other chock mounted, welded, and then we'll go ahead and get that chock put on, so you guys can see the whole setup, something like that. So I'll go ahead and get the tripod set up. I guess you can say I'm a little off today, just a little bit. Maybe it's just too much sun, or I don't know. It's one of those days. Maybe I got up too early. I did get up too early. Um, do you know what? Still gonna do my job. Work on this car. One, because it's fun. Two, ain't nothing else better to do but build some hot rods. At least my point of view. But we'll go to get this. I already got it mounted on there, as you can see. The clamped on there. Got everything cleaned up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that welded on there, and I'll probably start on the back end and work my way to the front, and then we'll go ahead and get the other chock mount. I mean the other chock put on. Like I said, through the whole video, like doing this car just being mocked up. Later, I still got to do some other touch up welding and all that stuff. I'll go back and we'll get everything cleaned up, nice and pretty. The body still needs to get painted and everything, so I'm not gonna get rusted for sure. But everything's getting mocked up that way. At least everything. We all know where everything's gonna be at. Something like that. Let's get to work. I'll go ahead and get my helmet. It's still hot out here, man. I mean, the humidity is not too bad though, but it's still hot. It's what you call Texas weather. But we'll get it done. Fire in the hole. This way. I don't know. Kind of hard for me to go this way or go underneath. I'm gonna go underneath. There you go. I think it's better. Go this way. There you go. I know I cleaned this, man. I don't know why it's jumping like that. Don't let this plastic catch on fire because all that stuff's falling down. Okay, start overs. Go back at it again. Do the edge of it. That one looks a little bit better. We got to clean up a little bit though. They ain't going nowhere. So start on the top and then work my way to the front and clean it up a little bit. I guess I'll get on that side now. And sometimes I amaze myself. Sometimes I weld good, like super good, and sometimes I weld just like shit. That was a good weld right there. You know, I mean, I don't do this all the time, so this is what I do at home. I'm not a professional welder. I'll be the first to say that, but you gotta learn somehow. And if it looks like crap, go back and clean it up and do it again till you get it right. Do one more pass. We should be done on that side. Seems like I did this side quicker than the other side. I don't know why it took long over there. And we'll get the cutter and clean it up a little bit, and then that should be it. Get that shock mounted on there. It ain't going nowhere. It's welded from the top and the side, so it's gonna stay there. All right, guys. Pretty much it. We're going to get the grinder, clean it up a little bit, and then it should be done. I think today, earlier, I was checking out a video on YouTube, and there was this guy that was welding with a MIG and using a rod. That was crazy. And it worked. I guess all you need is heat. That's crazy. I seen Bad Chat use a. You guys know who Bad Chat is, but I seen Bad Chat use a wire hanger, which is pretty cool. That works too. We're gonna get this cleaned up a little bit, guys, and then we can get this clamp off. We don't need this anymore. I ain't going nowhere. Ooh, hot. I never learned my lesson, and that I always grab stuff when after I finish welding or cutting, and it's hot like hell. And I keep doing it. Oh. Go ahead and get this cleaned up a little bit. Try to make it a little bit pretty. There it is, guys. I'm going nowhere. That's for sure. So we'll get that shock mount. What do I do with the other bolt? Oh, there it is. Oh, I knew I lost it. Oh, these are the ones that go under there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, might as well. I think I lost the washer the last time. Yeah, I did. I think I got some more there. I think I should put those washers in the back. That's what I should do instead. Man, I gotta put some like chims in there between the shock. I'll probably have to go get some like maybe washers or a big bolt or something. Something like that. I'll figure it out. Man, I keep losing everything. There you go. That in there. I'm gonna take this one off. Yeah, I was gonna bolt these things on, but like I swear I might as well just weld them. I mean, this should hold. I mean, the whole car is not gonna go all the way down. The shock is just for the leaf spring. That's it. That's all it's for. Got that one on there. I guess we could shove that one in. I don't think I'll hurt it. There you go. There it is, guys. Oh. Okay. You guys can see what it looks like. There. Like I said, all that stuff I'll be able to clean it up later on. Main thing, it works. There it is. Boom. I'm jumping on this thing. That weighed 245 pounds. If it didn't break with my weight, then I did a good job. Even though a small block weighs like, what, 700-800 pounds. So there it is, guys. Thumbs up. It's finally on there. Like I said, all that weld stuff, I'll be able to clean all that later on when I do body. When I do body work on the car itself and the frame, I'll make it look nice and pretty. I'll fill it in, make it look like if it wasn't even there. That's what makes you a fabricator. You know? But that's the way it works sometimes. But finally got the mounts on. The steering box should be coming in, I think tomorrow. Then we'll be able to see where that's gonna go, and then I gotta order that other tie rod that goes in that way, and then we'll be able to mount us. Then I can order my steering shaft, and then I can put on my steering wheel and everything. Then this, and oh yeah, I gotta put the, what you call it, the wishbones on too. I gotta get those on. I already got those, so I just gotta make a bracket for that. And I'll probably end up bolting that, but I'll weld the brackets together, make a thick plate, and then put those on, and then put some bolts on it. Usually people weld them, but I'm gonna go ahead and bolt them. I'll put 2 bolts on there, and then just tie them up. They won't go nowhere. Besides, that's only for suspension to, you know, like for it to be straight. Got nothing to do with anything else. It's just to keep your alignment, so your wheels won't go once forward and once, you know, out. Once forward and once in. That's all it is. That's all those things are for. But it came out good, guys. Um, like I always say, you know, the more you practice on welding, the better you get. Or like I've been watching YouTube videos too to see how they weld and everything, but a lot of it has to do with cleaning it. The metal, if it's not properly cleaned, it's not gonna stick on there good. But that's something that I need to, how you put it, learn as I weld. Know that I need to make sure it's clean before I weld because it won't stick. That's why I don't know if you saw on the weld it was like sticking, like popping, because it's probably dirty. I heard they use some type of paint. I don't know if it's an itchy scratch or some crap they use for welding. You spray it and then the weld just grabs like no tomorrow. I don't know if it's true or not, but that's what I've heard. I don't know. But either way, guys, that's all we have for today. I hope you liked the video. Hit the like, subscribe to Old School Custom Rides if you haven't. Appreciate you guys who are following me, and there'll be more videos to come on this car. And see what other car I decide to work on. I think I need to put air on my tire on my Nova. A little low. I'll just do that. Either way, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you did. So I'll see you guys soon. Take it easy, take care, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. I think I repeated myself twice already. Too much stuff. See you soon.